Well, back again. Yeah, the compressor finally turned off. And now I just realized that I put my gloves on. I tried getting the screw out, and as you can see, I got a nice little screw pattern on my hand. I don't know if you can see it. Anyway. No, I don't got the coronavirus. I'm going to put gloves on this time because apparently with gloves, I should be able to I should be able to unscrew this thing. So, damn. Holy crap, hold up. I don't know. Well, maybe I can try a rubber mallet. Yeah, see this? This is my handy dandy snap-on rubber mallet. See the little orange in there? Well, I was using it one day and the whole thing exploded. So and I don't know where the snap-on truck is, so. There we go. Almost out. Oh, good now. Let's see. Come on. I need a hole bigger than this. What the hell can I use for this? This way? I need something to get this out of here. Right. Let's see. It's coming. There we go. Got this piece off of this piece. I didn't think it would come apart. I don't think there's a lot of wear and tear. It's like mostly dirt. But yeah, I'm gonna give this a good little polish, clean it up, and I'll continue to work on the vise. Probably clean all this up. See, there's a lot of dirt and grime in it. My next adventure will be cleaning this off, get it nice and looking nice, all coppery look. But yeah, I'm planning on using my bench vise. The other thing I use a lot when I repaint stuff is I don't like just putting coats of paint on these things. I find using zinc oxide, what do you call it, primer, tends to inhibit rust a heck of a lot better than Tremclad just regular primer. I always use zinc oxide primer. In fact, one year I took a piece of metal and I sprayed one with zinc oxide primer, one with regular primer, and I screwed it to the outside on my porch and I left it there for about 6 months. The one with regular primer just rusted to pieces, and the one with zinc oxide primer actually stayed out there for months and had just very little surface rust. So I believe it works. I don't care what anybody says, but I believe zinc oxide primer works really good. So each to his own, I guess. But anyway, that's my second segment of this. I am probably going to use a buffering wheel for this. I have one in here, which I don't think I brought my tripod, so I can't, get a video of that. I'll make another small video of me cleaning this off. I'm probably going to use this to clean it off because it looks like it's going to be a lot easier. I might just take the sides off, skip the little crack here, clean the front, and then just probably clean this side off and just maybe, I don't know, go over that with something else. It's not a huge, big deal, but it's a pretty nice machinist vise. So anyway, that's it for now. I'll end this video here. Thanks for watching and subscribe, and who knows, maybe I'll have a cool channel. Oh, I do have a cool channel because it's my channel, but anyway, have a good one.